Okay, hello everybody to another video, and yes, I already did a little over my own, but I just got that much, so it's not that big of a deal. So, how much? Well, basically, that's a lot, so let's go finish Red Requests. Oh, that's why it's up there. It's made loot though. Just a little pocket, it's actually really funny. Should I stop with the cringy voices and go with my normal voice? So if this sounds different, that's because I was going, okay, let's go. That's how I was going before. So this should sound different because I want it to sound different. Because the last voice was terrible. I don't know why. It just sounds so bad. It just does. Come on, kill the ladybugs. Ow. Kill them, please. Oof. Oh, yay. Stubborn level up. Some of that. I want one of my. Okay, so we have a stubborn stumble. Oh, bomb of mock. Use. Anything? Where is it? There. Double palm. Double ball. Let's go. I don't care. What? What was that? I've never heard that before. I've actually never heard that. Never ever. So, I wanted my bomber to get a bomb. So please drop a bomb for me, bomber. Please drop a bomb for me, bomber. Drop a bomb! Okay, I won't. Oh! There's my other one. I thought my other one was still resting, so I went and then boom! Is there any of my bees even resting? No, all my bees are here. Yeah, but not much sure. Hashtag it. Wait, the next one's the gold egg? 6 million from Spot. Isn't that the one that's the spider? Duh. It has spider. It has spider field. So I'm gonna have to kill a spider. Oh my god. What? Did he just find that? What is that? It's a jello. Oh, there's a stick. There's a giant stick. For some reason it's moving. Oh, I killed it? I didn't even notice. I thought I didn't kill it. Let's go. Collect. Come on, give me a bomb. You know you want to drop it. I didn't spin. No. Okay. Yes. Let's pull them off. Let's go. Those are pretty good. I want spin bombers. I want bombers to spin, not stubborns to spin. Yes. Bomb. Boom. Oh, what is that again? Oh, bomb power. If you get 2 in a row, the next one will be actually bigger. Oh. Why do I sound so surprised? Okay. Well, stop messing around me. I'm being a little brat to myself. I'm just being a little brat to myself. Because I'm annoying myself. Are you freaking kidding me? I'm so damn close. But then, oh wait, can I make that? Can I make these parkour jumps? If you know me, I'm a master at parkour. I've completed the mega funnel on my other account. The master parkour mouse shall prevail. What? Okay, I'm gonna try that like 2 more times, I think. You can climb? Okay. Oh, if I destroy one more rod, I'll finish Beetle Battle. A strawberry! A strawberry! What's it? Yes! A royal jelly! Stop. Yes. Whoa. That guy got a ton of bees. Like a whole butt ton. Oh, Oh, there's a ticket and a ticket there. How do I get those? So use this on that. Boop. Bumble? What does that do? Must be blue bulb. Huh? Different colors of bulbs? Okay. Oh wait, I need to go. In my opinion. It's probably... Yeah. I hate that people get so lucky at the very start, because some people, you know, get like legendaries at the very start, like their first silver egg is a legendary or mythic. They get that lucky. Someone's first silver egg from Black Bear could be a freaking mythic. What? That's what I just said on my silver egg. I don't even know what any of the mythics are. Wait, can I skip B? Oh, I can. Wait, what rarity is this? Epic? What's this? Legendary? What's this? Mythic? When I've never seen green. What would be a green? Oh, it's a vent. Ah. Ooh, that's an infinite energy? What? That's so OP. This guy's got the same problem as me, but I have a bigger one, so it taking me forever to finish depositing everything. Also, that was just one trip. I really need to get more bees, and I'm about to get more bees after I finish freaking making all these into honey. And then I'll just go get one thing from Spidey Field and we'll get a gold egg? Is it a gold egg? That's what he said. It can give me an I was about to say, are you gonna finish spinning Bumble? Okay, let's go buy this. I'm almost 10. I wonder what I can do with these. Buy. So now we have a basic egg. Let's use it. Right there. Boom. Basic. Welcome to the team. Let's just add a strawberry to level it up a ton. Let's add another one to level it up again. Wait, what? Not even 11 strawberries can upgrade Bumble? What about... that's weird. Wait, that guy does... How do people get so lucky? That's a yellow? Isn't that epic? I saw from there. Pretty sure. It takes forever to run. Pretty sure later on you'll get haste. Like some bees? I'm not sure. I don't know. If you spin. Okay, none of them spin. Well, two of them can spin, so that's kind of there's a doubt. Kinda. So we got bees. Let's go. My squad. We got a squad. Let's go. And then we're gonna go to blue flower. Wait, what is that? What are those? I'm gonna go see what they are. So I'm gonna do a gold egg. What? But I'm gonna go check what's over here. Oh, that's a lot of different types. Oh, we're just going for like 5? Oh. What are these? A micro converter. Is there even... I shouldn't use it. I'm so tempted. I don't even know what's in here. What? So, I'm gonna see if there's anything I can get. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, I don't think there's anything. I don't think bees would cost 9. I don't think any bee in there would cost 9. So, blue flower. ID Skullstein. Okay, what did I just do? I was like, ID Skullstein. I should probably not say that. So people might think I'm actually disgusting, but I'm not. I don't even know what moonshots do. They just say that. Oh, a HQ? What's that over there? Oh, wait, there's the rhino beetle. Beetle battle! Oh, there's a secret ticket! What? So well hidden. Is there anything else? Nope. I wish there would be like another hole that'll lead down here to a hole that lead to like something really good. So I have to run past bamboo. I hate running past here. So rhino beetle spawn even though I'm not even in it. Go away, rhino beetles. Do I have any of these? No, they're still over there. Oh, he wants me to defeat the spider. I've reached a bit. I need to wait. How long? A full 19 minutes. Oh, parkour? Parkour! Let's go, parkour! You know, I'm a master. Maybe. Maybe. I'm a master. But look at these moves. Look at them. Oh. Okay. Okay. No. Oh, why did I see a trail? Oh, there's swarm? Whoa, that's a really big jump. Did I even make that? Or was that just a bad jump? I think that was just a bad jump. Make it. Okay. Yeah, that was just a bad jump. Okay. What's it? What's it? I wanna get one. Anymore though. Wait, a gumdrop dropper? Oh wait, these are. Yay! Finally, I can use my tickets more. Oh wait, why am I spending them? Anyway, I just got 18 gumdrops. It's shitty using. What is that? I think that's like a gum thing. It's a gum that looks like a bee. Okay. Why would that be there? Oh, I finished that. I don't know where I'm going. How many things does this guy have? This guy's got a puppy? I can tell that's a puppy because from this. Ears, tongue, spot. Yeah. If I could. Oh yeah, puppy. Photon? What would be a photon bee's ability? Tabby? What? It's a cat. Oh, it's just a gift that's called Festive. Crimson and Cobalt. Nice. Let's go get some. That would take us forever to get my badge. What? 50 million to get a Peppa patch? To above Junior? What's above Junior? I have no clue. Wait, am I in the group? I don't think I am. This is a giant dispenser. Join the Bee Swarm Simulator Club to use the honey dispenser. Oh. Or for people that are stupid. That eat stews. Okay, how much is it? Jeez, that's a lot. Whoa, whoa! What is that ability? I go to sugar. Dig. But I will need to go do some a little bit. I don't know. I'm probably just wondering. I have no clue what I'm doing. So let's go to. When did I ever get something? Slytherin? What? When did I ever Something that increased my thing. Was it a badge? Huh? Oh, what? Questions? Ah! What's a badge? Whoa! Whoa! What is that? It's like a thing. Okay, where am I going? Oh, I have macros. So who cares? Who cares? Oh, sorry, my time is up, so see you next video. Bye, I didn't get much to do. Don't ask you to like, comment, subscribe, just please do.